Hello students, Hemel sir is here. So today we are going to start the practice set 4.2. In previous video we have solved few problems related to the ratio and proportion of practice set 1.2. Okay, so today we are going to understand the word problems. Okay, so the question number 4th ka one. It says quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, and we know parallelogram is looks like this. Opposite side of the quadrilateral are parallel, then it is called as parallelogram. Okay, the ratio of angle A and angle B. Suppose this is side angle A, B, C and D. So angle A and angle B के एंगल का जो रेशियो है वो कितना है बोल रहा है इट इज 5:4. It is 5:4. Find the measure of the angle B. Then we have to calculate the measure of angle B. Okay, so in solution first we have to consider the common multiple of angle A and angle B. Okay, let the common multiple or we can say common factor of angle A and angle B is x. Okay, so we have considered the common multiple of angle A and angle B is x. Therefore angle A will become 5x and angle B, angle A is capital and angle B will become 4 is 4x. Okay, it is 4x. Now we know this angle, we know the two adjacent angle of parallelogram are complementary. That means they are of 180 degree measurement. Okay, therefore angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Okay, but angle A is 5x. Since angle A equals to 5x and angle B equals to 4x, therefore we can write 5x plus 4x equals to 180 degree. So 4x and 5x and 4x is 9x. So 9x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to what? X equals to 180 degree divided by 9. So x equals to 9 twos are 80. So it will become 20. So the value of x is 20. So the common multiple of angle A and angle B, which is x, and x equals to, we have calculated 20. Now we have to find the measure of angle B. Okay, therefore measure of angle B equals to question mark. So we know angle B equals to 4x. It is 4 into x. Angle B equals to, see, 4 into, what is x? X is 20. So here we have to write 20. Therefore angle B equals to 4 into 20 is 80. So the measure of angle B will be of 80 degree. Okay, so this is our answer. So we have to write the result also. So what will be result? The result will be the measure of angle B angle B of parallelogram angle B of parallelogram is 80 degree. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the problems. Okay, so write down, then we will solve the next problem. So now we are going to solve the second sub problem of the fourth problem. Okay, the question says the ratio of present age of Albert and Salim is 5:9. 5 years hence, that means after 5 years, the ratio of their age will be 3:5. Then find their present age. Okay, so first we have to consider the common multiple of their age. Let x be the common multiple of their present age. Therefore, present age of Albert will be 5x and present age of Salim is 9x. Okay, now 5 years after 5 years, their age will become, after 5 years, age of Albert and Salim will become 5x plus 5 and 9x plus 5. Okay, so 5x and 9x is their present age. So after 5 years, we have to add 5 again in both the cases. Okay, therefore the ratio of their age after 5 years will be, therefore by given condition, what is given condition? After 5 years, their ratio of age will be, so after 5 years their age 5x divided by 9x plus 5 equals to, their ratio of their age become 3:5. So here we have to write 3 divided by 5. Now we have to cross multiply. So 5 will come here. So it will become 5 into 5x plus 5 equals to, it will become 3 into 9x plus 5. So we have to multiply. 5 5s are, therefore 5 5s are 25x plus 25 equals to 3 9s are 27x plus 3 5s are 15. So we have to transfer this 25 to another side and 50 will be in this side. So here we have 25, when 15 will come in negative form. So negative 15 equals to 27x minus 25x. So 27x minus 25x is 2x equals to 25 minus 15 is 10. So x equals to 10 divided by 2. So x equals to 5. Okay. So we got the common multiple of the present age of Albert and Salim. So we had to identify their present age the present age of Albert is, what is the present age of Albert is 5x, so is 5x, therefore 5 into what is x, x is 5, therefore 25. So Albert's present age is 25. Now present age of Salim, what is Salim's present age is 9x, therefore 9 into x is 5, so 9 5s are 45 year. Okay, so this is the second answer, and it is the first answer. Now we have present age of both Albert as well as Salim. That means we will write the result. So the result will be, so what will be the result? The present age of Albert is 25 year, and present age of Salim is 45 year. Okay, so this is the answer. So in this way you have to solve the problems. Okay, so write down this one also. So students, after we have one more question, that is the rectangle's sides ratio of, there are the length and breadth of the right side of rectangle is 3:5. Sorry. So students, we have third problem, which is also as similar as the two questions that we have solved now. Okay, so third question says the length and breadth ratio of the rectangle is 3:1 and their perimeter is 36 centimeter. Okay, so we know the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length into breadth. So you can consider the common multiple. Then you have to multiply x, 3x will be the length of the rectangle and 1x will be the breadth. Okay, so accordingly you can solve and get the value of common multiple, that is x, and you can place the value of x in length and breadth also, so you can calculate the length and breadth of the rectangle, and accordingly you can multiply them by 2. So you will get the perimeter also. Okay, so it is really very easy one. So it is homework 5. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।